everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to create the list using different ways. So first we will see the introduction. What is list? List are the containers which can use to store values of any type. That means integer, float, complex, all type you can contain in a single list, and it is denoted with square bracket. Moreover, list is mutable. Mutable means that we can change the value of the list, whereas string and tuple is immutable. We cannot change the value of string and tuple. We cannot assign the new value to string and tuple. Individual elements we cannot change, but we can assign new value to string and tuple. So here we are taking one list is equal to cs python 10 10.0. That means we have taken the mixed data elements, string, float, integer. We will check the type of L, it will be list because it is enclosed in square bracket. Now let us assign the new value IP to the L0 element. List 0 element is CS. So here you can check, you can see that CS is changed into IP. Now if we are taking one string, S is equal to computer science, and we are assigning S0 as IP, now you will get the type error because string object does not support item assignment as the string is immutable. So next we will take the example of tuple 10, 20, 30. T0 you are assigning a new value, that is 15. Individual elements you are assigning new value, so that is not possible. Again you will get an error. So here are some different ways through which we can create a list. We can create empty list, we can create list with values, we can create list with eval function, with string sequence, with nested list. Let us go through one by one. So our first example is create empty list. So what you have to do, L is equal to square bracket, simple square bracket you can write. That means it is empty list, it denotes the empty list. Again you can check the type of list, type of L, it will be class list. Next, create list with values. So again you can give some values to the list. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. So these integer value you have given, and now CS and Python you can assign. So L is equal to, this is a list of mixed value. So with values you have created the list. Now third method, create nested list. Nested list means list inside another list. So 3 and 4 is another list which is enclosed in outer list. So type of L, again you can check. So here also it will become class list. Now next part is, you can check create list with string value. So create list with the string sequence. L is equal to, here you have to use explicit typecasting, list function. Forcefully you are making the string sequence into the list. Again you pass here computer. So what will be the output? Individual elements will be converted into the list. Type of L you can check, again it is list. So type function will return the data type of a variable. Next, create list with tuple. So same way, forcefully you will convert the tuple element into the list. L is equal to list of, here tuple is wrong, list of, then you can write 10, 20 within simple bracket. So here 10, 20 is enclosed in square bracket. Forcefully you have converted tuple into list. Last is create list with, second last topic, create list with integer value. So as integer is not iterable, here you will get an error. You use int function, int input, enter the number and try to convert it into list using list function. Because x is integer, try to convert it into the list of x. Here you will get a type error because int object is not iterable, so you cannot convert int into the list. Last is eval function. Create list with eval function. X is equal to eval. Input, enter the value. Eval function, what it will do? Which data you are entering, it will automatically convert it into the dat type. So here if I am writing square bracket 12,34, now x data type will be also list because you have entered the list value. I hope this concept is understood by everyone. If you understood the concept, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.